Hey there, it's Miss Snell here. I'm just showing you what to do if you need to get into our assignments. So my view is not a student view, but I'm going to show you how to get where you need to go. So if you don't see the waffle over here and you're logged into Google, like your Gmail account, you're going to want to open a new tab where you should see a waffle. In the waffle, you're going to have your kiddo go to the Google Classroom. And again, mine is a teacher view, so it's a little different. I don't have access to a student view. And you're going to go obviously to my class. Then you should go into classwork, or you can actually look in the stream where you'll see that I have posted a new assignment in Think Central, and you can click on that, or go to classwork, one of the two. It says Think Central pre-test due Thursday. Two different ways to get to the same thing. So you just click on that. And then you're going to want to go to the instructions. Again, your view is a little different, and it should have that right there. And you're going to log in with your child's SCAP account, which is something at student.dodia.edu, and there's the password. And you click there. Should take you here, but again, mine is totally different than your kiddos, but it's the same at student.dodia. And then there should be a things to do page, and you just click on the assignments there. I hope that helps. If not, please let me know. Have a great day. Bye-bye.